tow your truck right now.
Okay.
Okay. So knowing what I know, what should I do?
Well, I wish you'd give me a break and let me take the truck back over to him and tell him, hey, you know.
So I should just close my eyes and walk away?
No, sir, you shouldn't do that. I should get a ticket or two, I do believe.
Okay. So you think you should get some citations?
No, I wish I wouldn't, but that's, you know.
Okay.
That's up to you if you're going to give me them or not, but I wish you would. I'm just getting everything back together to where I'm...
Let's be honest with each other.
Uh-huh.
Okay. We're not going to part ways with nothing.
Okay, I know this.
You know.
I already know this.
Yeah. So in my shoes, I'm giving you this opportunity. It's the holidays. Moving. Times are coming around, right?
Yeah.
So you knowing what I've just told you, what would you do?
Like I said, I would give you the tickets.
Okay. I think that's fair. Do you think that's fair?
Yes, I'm not arguing with that at all.
All right.
Right to do that.
All right. Sounds good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Lieutenant Murphy stick that gun back in the truck.
Okay.
And have you hang out here for 5 more minutes. I'm going to write you some tickets.
All right. Sounds like he's going to get some tickets. We are out of time.
Yeah, of course.